Hello all, Bloomin' Cheesy here. Hope you guys do like. Put that down in the comments, right down there. Subscribe. This is part 2 of my Gideon's bakehouse article. I'll continue with that. Go to the very end of it. And also show a little bit more of that nature trail I was in. I loved it there. It was just so peaceful. Kind of just winded me down. I like that. Okay, so here we go. This is the video I recorded. Hope you like. Bloomin' Cheese, here it is. Okay. Our cookie isn't a product, the bakehouse says. It is a history, the sweet and the salty, the thrill of the first kiss and the solitude of a heartbreak. Our desserts are emotional, personal. That history includes its curious name, which began with the 1898 cookbook purchased by Gideon's Bakehouse creator Steve Lewis as part of his endless search for baking inspiration. Surprised to find the book's margin fitted notes and doodles from a young boy named Gideon who dreamed of being a baker, Luce decided to fulfill the child's wish by naming his shop Gideon's Bakehouse. Further paying tribute to the name's origins and the strange works of art, aging books and curious Victorian antiques on display at the original Gideon's Bakehouse in East Orlando. So what's the team cooking up for the new space at Disney Springs? We just heard the call of the frog. That is my water bottle I used today. Tarvis. We would love to tell you the Gideon's Bakehouse team teased, but we're nothing if not a little dark and mysterious. Okay, so my thought on Gideon's coming to Disney Springs. Yeah, I would like that. It is a kind of business I would think that might even start to have, let's say, special edition cookies just for Disney at certain times of the year or all the time. They would try out different things, and that is the kind of mentality for businesses for food that Disney people like. You know, only get it there. So if that is true, then I'm ecstatic. If it's not true and they're only going to have their normal cookies, at least for a while, that's fine, because Gideon's, I heard, is the best of the best for the cookies. They're not going to hold back, bar none. They are going to dominate the cookie network at Disney for a while once they open. I'm excited for them, and that is my opinion. They are going to be, I can't wait to try them. Yeah. Seen a slug before. There's a snail. Whoa. Hope you guys did like, hope you guys do comment, hope you guys do subscribe. Bloomin' Cheese out of here, and I hoped you liked this video.